Welcome back, everybody. Another week, another video. Here's the frame all stripped down. You've seen in the last video I got the engine out. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave a link in the description below. But yeah, this week we're going to get working on getting all the grip tape off, the rubber mounts for the fuel tank. I'm going to degrease it all, and then going to hit it with some aircraft paint stripper to get it all bare metal and get it ready for powder coat. I want to hear your thoughts. What color should I go with for the powder coating? I'm thinking like a textured black this time. I've seen some pretty cool gray colors. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Time for some aircraft paint stripper. Got the frame all degreased, it's nice and clean. Gonna hit it with this. Maybe I'll do a time lapse and hopefully you can see all the paint starting to curl up. Should look really cool.
I thought about it, thought about it, thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it, thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it, thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it. Making it bounce. Making it bounce, lead and drop, making it bounce. Making it bounce. Making it bounce, lead and drop, making it bounce.
So off camera, I ended up doing a whole second coat of aircraft stripper on the frame. It just didn't seem to get it all off with the first coat I did. It took all the paint that I had applied to the frame off pretty well, but it didn't take the base layer off, the stuff from the, the original paint from the factory. I don't know if it's a powder coat or an enamel or what it is, but it was really on there. So I did a whole other coat on the frame, got it all sealed up in a bag. I was reading that bagging up your parts after putting the aircraft stripper on keeps the chemical from evaporating, so let's hope that's a little more reactive. So while we wait, I'm gonna have a beer, cheers, and gonna get the rest of these parts organized into these bigger totes here just to keep myself a little more organized. I don't have a lot of space in here, so the more organized I can stay, the better. So stick with me. Well, that there is like a good 70% of a motorcycle. I guess that and that. You.
Thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it, thought about it.
All right, moment of truth. I've had this thing soaking in the bag for a couple hours, so we'll see what happens. Gonna give it a power wash. If it doesn't all come off, I might try again. If not, I'll just get it sandblasted, then powder coated. So worth a shot regardless. Oh, that's potent. See that big dent right there? That's a pretty nasty one. We'll try and get that fixed up before I send it out for powder coating. Yeah, you can see I definitely got some of the paint off, but it wasn't all coming off. That enamel or powder coating, whatever the factory uses, is tough stuff. She's all clean anyways. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Got the frame all cleaned up, degreased. Didn't quite get all the paint off, but there's some rust underneath there anyways, so I'll just take it to a local powder coating shop. They do sandblasting there. We'll get them to sandblast it all, get rid of any imperfections, get it powder coated. In the meantime, we're going to be working on the next bit of the bike. We'll show you all about that in the next video. Thank you all for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.
Making them bounce and lean and drop.